In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Homary discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Homary discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called retailmino.com and open it. As you can see, we have some promo codes right here that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 8% discount of site-wide, all you need to do is simply select your codes from right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here and apply it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called retrace.com. And right here, you also have some promo codes. For example, if you want to get this 14% discount, all you need to do is simply have right here on copy code. And this is the promo code that you can apply in order to get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.